Now, if you want to create a discount in Shopify, you simply have to log into your admin section and proceed on the left hand side and click on discounts. Now, discounts help you give your customer some amount of their order and also help you just maybe create a good promotion that can help you improve or increase sales. Before you create a discount, you need to try to try to do your calculation and ensure that the discount that you're giving makes sense or it doesn't hurt your business and it doesn't also appear too small to the customers, insignificant for them to even try and click on it. Now there are two types of discounts. We have automatic discounts and we have like manual discounts where you have to share either a link or create a shortcode. So in this discount section, you can click on create discount on the top right hand side and then you can choose the types of discount here first. So you can say amount off if you want to say, let's say $20 off a certain product. If you want to give a buy X get Y offer, you can say buy 3 get maybe 1 or buy this number of items and get an extra like a smaller item. You can set it so that the discount is only applied to a certain range of products. So if you want to set maybe a discount for only $500, then you can do that. Then there is one for free shipping. So let's say we want to go with the first option, which is a discount amount of products. So if I click on this, I'll be taken to the discount creation page. And then now here is where I have to decide whether I want to create it as like a manual discount with a discount code or I want to create an automatic discount. So for this here, I'll just create my own discount code or generate a random code, for instance. But in most cases, it is important to create your own code. So if I want to create my own code, I will say like 10 off, 10 off now, for instance. So if somebody types this in their discount box, and they'll be able to um, just have that amount taken off their order. Then now I have to decide if I want to make it a percentage or a specific amount in cash. So if I said fixed amount, I would say I want to take say $10. So this $10, where does it apply to? So you can either ensure that your discount applies to a specific collection, a specific product, or all products on your store. So you have the option to select here the collections that you want to put. If it's collections, you just search for collections. Let's say something like headphones, and then I'm going to pick, I can pick like these two if I wanted them to be collection, and then they'll appear down here. If I do not want to have collections, I'll instead come here and select specific products. Then I can search something like badges, for instance, which is a product in the store. So I can say I want to give that discount for this badges headphones. If I add, the products will be listed here. So it means that this discount will only be applicable to these products. If somebody tries using the discount on some other products that are not included here, then they'll get an error that the discount is not applicable for this product. Once you've selected that, you can decide if you want this discount to be used once per order or if the customer can use it several times in several orders, and then you uh, set that. The other thing here is you want to set a minimum purchase requirement. So because you cannot give a $10 discount on a $10 product, it won't make sense. It will definitely be like selling it at zero. So you want to make sure that you can say that this order will only apply on orders over something like $80 or $80. And this is just like a hypothetical value that it is you supposed to set. Then apart from the amount, you can say minimum quantity of items. So if I say I want to take minimum quantity of items, if I say I want there should be at least 3 items in a cart, then I have to do that. So this discount will only be applicable if this person has at least 3 items added in their cart or when proceeding to checkout. Now in the eligibility section, you can decide to give it to all customers. You can have like specific customer segments. Now customer segments are just like divisions of customers based on either location or maybe gender or maybe lots of things. So you can choose to have it for all customers, specific customer segments. So if you pick a segment, I can search for a segment, let's just say type that. So I have here customer gender equals to male, or customer have made at least one order. So you select. If I wanted to go to customers who have made at least one order, it will appear that. So that will be a specific eligibility criteria for these people here. Then maximum discount uses, how many times you want this discount to be used by a customer, limit to one use per customer, or limit the number of times this can be used. You can say two, for instance. You don't want them to overuse it, or just make sure that it's only used once per customer. Now combinations, can this discount be combined with other discounts already existing in your website? So if you have like several discounts, there's one that you give for welcome discount, and then there is a specific discount on the specific product. You want to ensure that it is combined. Can this discount be applied and then still have another discount applied on your cart? If not, then you're not going to select any of this. But if you say something like product discounts, then it will show you the discounts. If it's shipping discounts, you do that. So it's up to you to select which discounts you want to give apart from this, so that it all be applied on the same cart. Now at the very end here we have the active dates. Now you can always set a timeline for your discounts. If you're running like a 30-day promotion, you can decide to set that. If you're doing a 24-hour promotion, you can do that. For this year, if you say set end date, then that's when you'll be setting the date that this will end. But if you unmark this, it means that this discount will be continuous. It will only be showing you the start date, and the end date will not be activated. If I turn that on, definitely I can decide if I want it to go until the 17th of the next month, and that will be approximately 30 days of running. And you can even indicate that um, in your code, or in your promotional text that accompanies this code, when, let's say for instance, you're sharing it via email. So this is on this type of discount. So let's just discard this because I do not want to create this discount here. If I want to create an automatic discount, the steps are the same. I'm just going to take let's say something like this amount of order, and then I'm going to take it automatic. So automatic discount will automatically apply, so this person does not have to enter any code at checkout. So let's say we've taken this discount and said it's something like welcome home, for instance. So discount value, let's say a percentage. Let's say we want to give them 4% off, and we don't want to give any minimum requirements. Do you want to combine it with other discounts? We're going to choose let's say shipping discounts, for instance. And then in this case, this discount will be done because it will be automated. So you've not given any minimum requirements for purchase. You've not given any minimum quantity items. So this can also be said, but we opt to go with this. Now you notice that this does not have like a lot of steps, and it doesn't involve the setup that we did on the other side. Now if I say, for instance, let's save this discount. I've copied this here. I want you to see how it works. If I save this discount and go to the live website and try seeing if that discount is applied on my cart. So I'm going to pick one product here, for instance, add it to cart. I'm going to add it to cart, and then I can view my cart, I can check out. So you'll see we already have like another automatic discount that has been set. So you notice this here. This is an automatic discount. I didn't add any code here, so it's an automated discount. If I had not set this automated discount, I'd have to enter that code there. But now this I'll probably be told that it can be combined with another. So this here, oh, actually this is for that's for a gift card. But because you already have an automatic discount applied here, that is not going to work. If you have not set that up, it will come here, and then now you can proceed with your checkout setup for that website. So that's how you create discount codes for your website or Shopify store. If you want to delete it, just open it, scroll to the bottom, delete this discount, then you can say delete the discount if you no longer need it. Some other time you also might also want to just turn it off. Like if I have this thank you 50, I just click on this here, and let's just expand it. Then we can change the discount code status by deactivating it up here. So I can choose to deactivate this and deactivate this discount code, and it will become inactive or expired. So that's basically all you need to do if you want to set up a discount for your store and promote your products, or help your customers at least have something off their order and encourage them to keep buying from your store.